Hello everyone. Whoo, I just got done mowing grass in our backyard. It is a Saturday, the 23rd of April, and I've got a couple videos we're gonna put together for you. First, as you can read in the title, we went to the second anniversary party of Cooking with Rona. I'll talk about that more in the video. And we did go to lunch today for Silhouette's birthday. We went to like one of them Japanese steakhouses where they chop stuff and throw shrimp at your mouth. And that's what she wanted, but now it's almost evening time. And me and the wife, at least, we're hungry again. And I'm gonna show you what Rita, Cooking with Rona Mama, made, and Chef made too. And we're gonna dig in and we're letting you watch us eat that food up. Hello for love everyone. We are at Spanaway Lake Park because we're going to the second year anniversary of Cooking with Rona's channel. So gee-hoo, let's have some fun. I don't think I'm gonna record a lot because it'll probably be on their channel, but I did want to do a short intro. All right, we're all here. Love you guys.
An iPad?
You see Mama's cooking up some stir-fried rice stuff. Looks so good. Chef making some shish kebabs. Yeah. Is that chicken, pork?
Yeah, chicken, pork.
And look at this humongous box of moa.
Ribs.
Oh, ribs too.
Yeah, ribs.
Everything.
And some hot dogs.
I wish you could smell this. It smells awesome. And some of the kids, I know Acapella Silhouette's playing at a park somewhere. And there's another barbecue grill going on back there. And there's Frizzy Head Woman there. So I am walking to the truck to check on Maka. Could we brought her, but we don't want her to run around here and bark at people. But it seems so surreal to be here with Chef and Rita, his wife, and the kids. It is so nice being here. They got Samoan music playing. There's more people showing up. If this wasn't Silhouette's birthday, we would love to stay the whole day, obviously. But we had plans already, but we're gonna stay here at least as long as we can until Silhouette starts bugging us to leave. All right, we'll see you in bed. So now you know who the professional photographer is in the house. It's lead chef. His assistant over there is cooking something on the grill far away. He's checking in on her once in a while, make sure she's cooking right. But over here, Mama's cooking the stir-fried rice. Look at that pan, it's huge. You can just jump in there and take a nap and eat while you sleep. Yeah, it's so big. There's other people showing up. So Silhouette, the birthday girl, wants to go down and look at the water. So we're gonna go down there. We'll leave Aseka up there with Chef and Rita cooking. Acapella stayed in the car for a minute because her phone died. Oh my gosh, she has to charge it. Plus she's watching Maka. So the park where Cooking with Rona is having their second year anniversary for their channel is called Spanaway Lake Park. And there's some people fishing down here. It is a beautiful day today. It is April 23rd. It's just gorgeous. And don't get your feet wet. Those are your big sister's shoes, Silhouette. Oh, Acapella will kick your butt. Sasa you in the head. Yeah, very pretty. Very pretty. Yep, we're back up here now. She's done seeing the water. There you go. All right, we're gonna say goodbye to everyone because we have to leave for Silhouette's party, but they have a lot of tables here, a lot of food here. My wife's so excited because they made pulingi. I have never learned to bake that and probably never will, so my wife's super happy over that. And Chef is still cooking up a storm. They're gonna have a ton of food. Mom's still chopping. It's so awesome. And I'm so thankful and count my blessing that they invited us. And we're getting ready to go because we have a dinner appointment for Silhouette's birthday. But we sure, thank you so much, family, for inviting us. We sure appreciate it. All right, we're back in the car. We had to leave a little early from Cooking with Rona's anniversary party because we didn't know about it till last minute, and today is Silhouette's 12th birthday as well. And we have reservations at one of them Japanese restaurants that she likes to go to where they like flip food in your mouth or whatever. So, but we had such a great time. Fata lava. So much aloha to you, family, for inviting us. We sure appreciate it. And I hope all you enjoy seeing us together and seeing this beautiful state that we all live in. So until next time, thanks for watching. What do you say, honey? What do you say, Silhouette? Happy birthday, Silhouette.
Happy birthday.
Happy not birthday, acapella. All right. Fa, se fua, and peace. Oh, yummy, yummy time. So we got ribs. We have moas, chicken. We have sausages. She made stir-fried rice, and all this was made right there at the park. I might have some of that on film as well. That looks delicious. They gave us a huge pile of potato salad. More meat. Oh my gosh, I won't have to cook for a week. And my wife's favorite, one of them is pulingi. And let's get started. We have to make our own plates. And then I'll show you us doing the mukbang.
Hi everyone. We're getting ready to eat some of the food that Chef and Rita made.
Yes, we are. I'm coming. I just had to get something to drink, as you know. And some hot sauce. I'm going to try their food without it first, but you know I like adding spicy stuff to all my food. So I've got, what am I putting my glasses on for? So I got a couple hot dogs, a couple ribs, a couple pieces of chicken, the stir-fried rice, and her potato salad. I'm excited to start it. Let's see, what are you going to try? Let's try the potato salad first. Good job. Oh, that's good. You making it too good. Now you're gonna want my wife gonna want me to make the same level of quality you make. Fresh potatoes, you can tell. A little bit of egg. It's really good. Not too much mayonnaise. Hold on, the doggy wants something. All right. Got her something. I think she's still gonna wanna sit at our table. Let's see. I know. Well, let me try Rita's stir-fried rice. So this is not Spam, it's actual ham she put in there. That's really good. I could probably just eat a huge bowl of just this and potato salad. It's so good. I'm sorry, Maka. You gotta wait. Good. You see how the ribs are charred? That's my favorite. I love that. I never get to do that though here because my kids don't like that, but I love it. So, and my wife does too. Oh, very tender. You can tell they've been marinated a long time. They're good. Wow, yeah, good. I'm eating too fast. Can't go wrong with hot dog. Hello, it's good. Oh, let's try the chicken now. Smells good. Look at that. It's so juicy inside. It's really good. Yummy. How do you like it, honey?
Which one?
Any of it.
It's really good. The toast side's good. The fried rice is good. The ham is actually pretty soft and juicy.
Yeah, I know. It's a good ham because sometimes ham can be really thick and dense. This is really soft. It's really good. Oh, I can't help it. You know I love hot sauce on everything, so. Excuse me. Thank you so much, Chef and Rita. And kids. Some of this food might have been, I know that Pio was doing a lot of filming, but he was also, I think, helping cook. And Rona was back there cooking away on another girl. They had 2 girls going. Met some really nice people there that were friends of Chef that worked with him. And there was a nice Samoan guy that was there too, named David, that we met at the beginning. He had to leave a little early. Hopefully I got him on film. I know that they did, so they'll be showing a video, I'm sure, of their barbecue for their 2nd anniversary. He had to go off to play a cricket game. I am definitely via moi after I eat all this. Wow, my wife's beating me for once. Good job, sweetie. Yeah, after this video, where you see parts of the, we've seen parts of the picnic already, and us eating. I'm going to show you what Silhouette did for her birthday a week ago. There was a anime convention, like Japanese cartoon convention, and it wasn't this weekend, or she would have wanted to go on her birthday, but we took her last week. We saw a lot of interesting people there, and only me and Silhouette went, and I tried to talk to as many people as I could there, so it's pretty funny if you want to stick around and watch that too. So good. Wow, much love to the family. Cooking with Rona is so good. When can we come for some more? We're going to need a refill in about 3 days. Ooh, I got some of that skin off the chicken thigh. Burnt and crispy, but also juicy. My personal favorite. Oh my God. The flavor, you can taste it's been marinated because it's so juicy and good. And so flavorful. Really good. Mommy getting, I thought she was getting full, but she's actually going to get more potato salad. If you made it this far in the video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It helps out the channel. Every penny that we make from this channel, at least while I'm still working, is going to go to helping other people. So by you subscribing and actually watching the videos, helps us get a little more money every month. My first paycheck from YouTube just came in the other day. I'm going to share that with you in another video, and I'm going to take you with us while we go give that money to help someone buy some groceries. Yeah, you love that potato salad, huh? It's good. I don't know what I like the best. They're all so good. Wow. Really, really good stir-fried rice. And that pot, it was so big. I wish I had a pot that big. It was like this big, huh? Wow. I wish we could have stayed longer and seen some more people come and meet more people, but we're sorry. I couldn't tell my daughter on her birthday they had to do what I wanted to do and Mommy wanted. We always let our kids pick whatever they want to do for that day for their birthday, because that's their special day. It is so good, but I'm getting full too. We ate a lot at the restaurant. And that was about 4 hours and 15 minutes ago. But trust me, this food is not going to last 3 days. I guarantee you'll be gone by tomorrow at lunchtime. So I'm going to eat some more tonight before I sit out by the fire, because it's going to be a nice, beautiful night. And you know I love to sit out by the fire at nighttime. And hopefully going forward, I can plan a video with at least Chef, because we talked about going fishing, and hopefully we can do that together and catch some fish for y'all guys. You getting full, sweetie?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Need energy for Halo.
She said she needs energy to play her video game, Halo. The one nice thing that I've always loved about going to Samoan picnics or going to Samoans' houses, we never let you leave hungry. They always make sure that you have a nice plates of food to take with you. It's a culture of sharing and love and caring, and I really love that about my wife's culture. I was thinking about making pani popo to take there, but it was kind of a last minute decision. A couple of days notice that we had that we were going to go. And so I just bought them some gifts to thank them for all their support of our channel. But mostly I bought them little gifts to show our love for them, for their channel. Because we all love their channel. So proud of them making it 2 years and doing a great job. They have so many wonderful subscribers. They're a beautiful family. And we just wanted to get them a little something to show how much we care and support their channel. So I hope they enjoy it.
She made some pullini the night before. So it's actually really, really, really good. I like it. She has it. She didn't make the sauce yet, so that's okay. It's not, the pullini itself is worth it. It is really good, and I haven't had it in years.
I don't think I've ever tried it. Is it gingerbread cake or banana cake, or what is it made of? Or don't you know?
No.
Mom said, nope, I don't know what it's made of. I just know I like it.
It kind of have that, can't put my finger on it.
Ginger? No.
I don't know, you
Banana?
have to taste it.
I can't taste it right now. I'm busy with this. What did you say, honey? I won't make her repeat what she said. It's about having to go to the powder room soon. I'm so happy. It's so good. All right, let me try some of this. Do you have any you ate yours? My first time trying pulingi. Is that how you say it?
Pullini.
Smells good. And I'm not a cake eater. I don't eat desserts or sweets. But when someone goes through the trouble of making us something, I'll still try it for sure. Yeah, here we go. It's very moist. I don't bake a lot. It's really good, but I don't know what's in it either. I don't know. I think my mom made like a carrot cake once, or a gingerbread cake or something. It kind of tastes like a little bit of both of them. But I'm not sure. It could have no ginger and no carrot in it. It might be something totally different. I wouldn't know. I've never made it. My wife's never brought it up, so I never had an opportunity to look it up to see what's in it. But it tastes good though. My wife didn't want me to say anything, but she had to run to the bathroom. Too much good food. Good. Wow, I'm in love with the chicken so much. Yum, 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 yum. Woo! I'm getting full though. Oh, thank you so much again. And to think that 3-4 months ago I didn't know anybody on PolyTube. I can't even talk about it. It made me choked up. But to meet such wonderful people like Chef and his wife and his beautiful kids just makes me personally so happy, and I feel so blessed. Let me stop talking or I'm gonna get choked up. Woo! I am done. And my wife's not back yet. Shh, don't tell her. All right, let me wait for my wife to get back before we sign off, all right? Had to run and get my glasses though. So I had to check my GoPro because it didn't look like it was blinking like it was recording, but it was. All right, Aseka's back. And she had to go check on something. So she's back. And I just want to say thank you again to Cooking with Rona family for inviting us today. We were so glad we could come. And thank you, all you viewers out there and subscribers who come in and watch and support and show your love and your wonderful comments. We so appreciate it and are so shocked by it at the same time. Anything you want to say in closing?
Thank you, everyone. And thank you to Chef and Lita.
All right. That's it for this week. We'll see you next video, which comes out in about 3 days. Always. All right. We love all of you. Peace and love. And until next time, Fa, say Fua, and peace.
Peace.
We're getting off downtown to go to SAKURA-CON.
That's downtown Seattle. There's some of the buildings. Okay, we better pay attention to the directions. All right, we just found a parking in the parking garage, and Silhouette's all excited. She's all dressed up for her first anime convention. Oh, look. This guy. What character are you?
So I'm a male version of Ari from League of Legends.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, my daughter's. Oh, she left me. There she is. All right. to do it. So we have to get our registration at the membership office before we get like a badge. Now I want to get a picture of a lady in the mushroom outfit. It's kind of cute. So I guess part of the convention is there's free gaming arcade here too, like to do something while you wait to go to see an autograph signing or whatever else they do here. I'm not really sure what they do here yet. Just a lot of people dressed up and a lot of anime type games. Haven't seen any of these games before. It's weird. They look cool, I guess. I don't know. Maybe Silhouette knows what games they're from. See? Can you read that? I can't read it. That's pretty cool. You do the like Japanese drums, I guess. That's a cool looking game. Huh, Silhouette? Of course, Mario Kart. A lot of them have Japanese caricature that I wonder if these were imported, like special editions. I don't know what this one is, but it looks pretty cool. Who are those people, Silhouette?
I don't know.
It says play free.
I don't think we can play yet.
Oh, they don't start till 9. We're here a little early. It's only 8:40 right now. Say hi. We'll take your mask down and do it. For the thumbnail. There we go. Hi, Aseka from Kakashi. Oh. He's reading his little adult fairy tales, right? Or what? All right, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. You see the water fountain down there? We're just waiting for stuff to open. So we're looking at the art that's inside the building here. I know it is kind of creepy. I don't know what it's supposed to be. But a happy, creepy artist, I think. Just taking some pictures out a window here while we're waiting for the exhibit hall to open up in the next 10 minutes. This is downtown Seattle. We are at the Washington State Convention Center. I don't know if you can see that. And just people walking either to the convention or, I don't know, maybe going to work. A lot of people dressed up here today. I keep trying to get Silhouette to pose with someone, but she won't do it for me. She's scared to be next to some stranger, which is a good thing, I guess. What's your character's name?
Scaramouche from Genshin Impact.
Awesome. All right, well, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Yay.
Yay, she finally got the nerve up to do it. More people coming in all the time, all dressed up. Oh, she took off on me. Yo. Aw, aren't they cute? You know who they are? I believe it's Rainbow Bright and Strawberry Shortcake, right? Awesome, thank you.
Tokyo Monkey from Tokyo Revengers.
Oh, it's from, you heard? Okay. She couldn't remember. See, look. The Avengers from Tokyo. Hold up higher. Smile, say hi, Mom. Silhouette's having fun. Posing for the thumbnail. From what do you call it? Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Oh, look at her. And look at that elf. And that person. And who's this Belle? A whole new world. I was gonna start singing. That's the wrong cartoon, isn't it?
That's from,
This is from the covers.
Aladdin.
Look, it's Sailor Moon.
Yeah, didn't have it. We should go back.
These are all the people waiting for the exhibition hall to open up. So they can buy stuff, and that's what she wants to do, is buy lots of goodies. The people. Okay, we are sitting down because the exhibition hall doesn't open till 10, so we're just sitting on the floor. There's no chairs here, but a lot of people are sitting on the floor, and she don't want to go up where the crowded is. That's okay. But everyone that is here is required to have a vaccination card before they come in and wear a mask the whole time they're here. I'm gonna take a picture up high. Still waiting for it to open. Pikachu. Pika Pika. There's Misty from Pokemon, I think. A couple Naruto ladies there. Some, I don't know, commander lady there. Coming through this way. She's commander, I don't know. The same exact one.
No.
There's two of those people though with the big sombreros on or whatever that anime is.
It's from Genshin.
It's from Genshin. And here's a monster guy. Cool.
Goddamn, we could fit somewhere.
Sell it! You better sell it!
Hello. What about this? They got the blue lady too. So you worry about that later? We're going back the way we came from. We were just over here. Did you want to see a specific
Oh no,
thing?
we looked there. We looked there.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to finish this row, right? And then we're going to the next row.
I wonder
Dolls.
this. I don't know. I'm too strong.
I don't know how much that stuff is.
It's a figure.
Okay. There's one up there too. The blue thing here, blue gray lady. What are these? More bobblehead thingies?
It's con attendees. Let me clarify something. If you have one of those pink wristbands, that gets you into the adult areas for
Patsy bunnies. Whoever that bunny rabbit place is. Videos. There's Hardcatcher Sakura. Walk ahead of me. No, I got my stuff in there too. You can hold it a second. Can you walk ahead of me? There you go. You're so close. Where are you coming?
I'm so tired.
I'm trying to get away from you.
Why?
Because you're making a super close up. So it's on Zoom. I want a far away shot.
I want my bag.
So Silhouette's done shopping. All she wanted for, of course, to come here, but all she wanted for her birthday is money. So she spent with these fancy models she bought and other stuff from characters she likes. She spent like $240. Oh my gosh. Well, now she has practically no money left. But did you have a good time, sweetie?
Yeah.
All right, happy birthday, baby. So it's getting so crowded in here now. It's ridiculous. It's crazy. Yeah, the people are just milling everywhere. I don't even know what they're doing.
We
But
should eat something, but I don't know.
we will. We're going there. Bunch of people. The Riddler. Don't know. You know who that is? Oh yeah, look at the shoes.
Oh my gosh, it's big.
There's some other ladies. Me and Silhouette don't know who half these characters are that they're dressed up like. She knows more than me, though I only know a couple of them. I don't know where's this person from? So crowded. Let me get out of here. I know she's exhausted from walking. Go ahead, baby. No, we're crossing this way. Look, a fuzzy person. Stop, stop.
Dad,
red sign to stop. Well, definitely today, if you've ever heard that song, the freaks come out at night. This one's the freaks come out at day. The freaks come out at day. What? Yes, we're going to the car and stopping somewhere to get some lunch on our way home. Thank goodness. It's that Link guy playing a flute. He's just jamming on the flute. Thank you. He was like, I'm Link for the thing, I'm going to a magical place. So we gotta go 3rd floor, right? Oh, that's right, we walk around and go up the escalator again, right? Is this the 3rd floor? This is the 3rd floor. So where's the, how did we get to the garage?
We're not on the 3rd floor.
It says 3, home of 3. See, look. We're on the right floor. I just don't know which way to go. South. No, one's there. Hold on. It did say 3rd. It said main garage access. What? I don't understand. No, because remember we pulled in over there, right?
So then there after.
And they told us we had to come here to get our registration.
Oh, yeah.
And we walked back there to get the car. I'm just going to cut this way, to the right. Look at this person. Who's that? Oh no, it's we'll be there soon, sweetie. I think they were doing karaoke in there. Fa, say Puaa and peace.
Peace.
Now the music comes. Ding, ding.